Now, there have been so many changes on Blum since my last video. I'm going to be talking about all those changes made. Now, in this video, you're going to be finding out when the Blum launch date will be, the current mission of Blum team, what to do to stay profitable before the day of launch and after the day of launch, and how to properly participate in the airdrop. And by the way, making money on crypto is not just about mining Telegram bots. There are also other ways to make money in crypto. There is a Telegram class that I'm holding right now in my Telegram group. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can join the group if you're interested in learning other ways to make money in crypto, especially now that the bull season is coming closer. Now, back to Blum. One of the ways to actually make more Blum points is to make sure that you check in every single day without skipping a day, because skipping a day will take you back to square one. If you keep checking in every day, you are going to be receiving some tickets and some Blum points, and as the day goes by, your Blum points increases and your ticket also increases. And you can also use those tickets to make more Blum points. I'm going to be explaining that later. Now, for those of you finding it hard to open your Blum app, there's this hack I'm going to be showing you right now. Now, the first thing to do is to come to this place here that says Blum. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see Open App, right? So when you click on this Open App right now, there is no way your app would not actually open, right? So now that we are on the app, remember I said one of the first ways to earn from Blum is by checking in every day. You are going to be given some Blum points, and also you are going to be given some tickets. Those tickets will enable you make more Blum points for yourself. And also you will make more Blum points as your streak increases. Another way to make more Blum points is by coming here to click every 8 hours, right? When you click it now, I'm going to be making 56 Blum points. So when I click on it, so I'm going to come back every 8 hours to claim my Blum points, and you can earn a maximum of 20k points using this particular way to earn Blum points for yourself. The third way to actually earn on Blum is by playing this game. You click on play over here and you earn more Blum points for yourself when you play this game. So that's one of the ways you can actually make more Blum points for yourself. This is one of the fastest way to make Blum points for yourself. You try to avoid this bomb right here. So make sure you do not touch the bomb, because if you touch the bomb, you are going to start from square one. Make sure you try to eat those blooms. And by the way, it's not pronounced Blum. It is actually bloom, as in flower. There's a rumor around that says keeping the tickets would earn you more Blum points in the future. Well, I don't know how true that is. That's not confirmed, but people have been saying it. My advice is do not use all your tickets to play the game. Use, let's say, about 80% of the tickets you have to play the Blum game, and keep 20% just in case truly there is something you can actually gain by keeping the tickets. Now, another way to earn more Blum points is by, of course, inviting new friends, right? When you come to this place here that says friends, you are going to see that I have about 71 friends, and they've earned for me about 1,600 since the last time I came here to claim, right? So I'm going to claim it right now. The maximum amount of friends you can have to earn new points is 100, but you can actually invite more than 100 friends, but only 100 friends can keep earning points for you. Shout out to all my friends that have been earning Blum points for me. I really appreciate the love. Now, if you know you need referrals and you do not have any, can you drop your Blum link in the comments so you can be able to make more Blum points for yourself, right? And by the time you get to 100 referrals, you can let me know in the comments as well. Now, the fifth way to earn your Blum points is by coming to this place here that says earn. So when you click on that earn, right, you're going to see something right here. You know, you're going to see MEXC quest round 1, subscribe to Blum Telegram. Now, for those of you that have been mining, remember the last quest was for dogs. Now it's for MEXC. And 2.5 million worth of dogs was rolled out to the people who participated in the quest. Now, this is a quest that you must pay attention to. And before you can pay attention to this quest, you must make sure that you've connected your wallet like so. So I have connected mine. So you must make sure that you have connected your wallet. And you'll be earning about 999 Blum points. And now, here is a fact that a lot of people do not know. There is actually more to Blum than just tapping on your screen. And I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. Blum is trying to build a decentralized exchange inside of Telegram, where you can trade different coins from different blockchain network on Telegram, but in a decentralized way, which is actually very amazing. Now, they call it the hybrid setup, where you can get to trade with low fees, and it is also decentralized. Blum will also have the spots and derivatives of futures market as we have it on ByBit and Binance. Now, this idea is very incredible, and I'm going to tell you why. A lot of newbies actually got to know about crypto more since the Telegram bot started, and many of them want to stay back and make some money out of crypto. What other place to learn and practice trading if not on Telegram that they were introduced to? You can see it is actually a very amazing idea, and the token also has a significant utility. Now, the listing date is getting closer and closer and closer, but has not been officially announced on any of their handles or any of their pages yet. But then let's just keep our fingers crossed and continue to mine, as we do not want to miss out on this launch. The launching is going to be sooner than you think. Just keep your fingers crossed, and let's just keep watching and wait for them to announce when they're going to be launching officially. So guys, if you like the content I just put out, kindly hit the like button for me, as this will help my channel, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to get more of this kind of content. Thank you in advance, guys. So that will be the end of today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, bye for now.